What up with y'all? Today is December 5th, Tuesday. December 5th, 2023, man. And we got a charting session for y'all today. Alright, so let's start off with G. We're just gonna get right into it. I don't feel like spending all the time that we usually do today. Um, so today, I did not look at the markets. I stayed up all night and watched London session. GJ ended up taking that level I talked about. Remember, boss? I'll show y'all. We're not even on GJ yet, but I watched UJ a little bit too. And then I went to the gym, and then I slept during my session because I knew I wasn't gonna trade because that was my punishment for breaking my rules yesterday. Tomorrow's NFP, so I'm not trading tomorrow either. So that's all y'all might get a trading session tomorrow. I don't know. I mean, most likely, knowing me. So today, as you can see, this weekly bullish fair value gap that we've been looking at, finally got tapped into. This is still an area of interest right here. I'm about to show y'all exactly what I want to see from GU soon. Now that's not even equilibrium, but again, we never took out no sell side. No buy side. This is our draw, to be honest. And that sell side level that we just took out is literally completely in alignment. Look at that. With daily equilibrium. Like literally to the tick. Look at that, bro. To the fucking tick, bro. I'm finna make this visible up there. But look at this, bro. But yeah, man, we tapped into this weekly fair value gap. Hit equilibrium. Took out this sell side level right here. Boom. This happened what? During New York session. It's funny, I'm about to see all type of setups happen. Every time I don't trade, I want to see all the good setups, and then I want to take the bad setups when I do trade. But it's all good, bro. I shouldn't be saying that. That's a bad mindset to have. You know, we make mistakes sometimes. But yeah, we took out Sellside, and we haven't broken structure on the 4 hour, as you can see. But I don't expect this fair value gap to hold. I expect us to run through this and then use it as inverse or some shit. This is not going to hold. We broke structure on the 1 hour right here through this swing high, creating a small fair value gap right there that we might see a retracement into, but maybe not. During London, I expect us to come up and take out these highs. But what did we do today? All right, where was the opening price on Tuesday? Okay, this is where we opened at. So we were bearish all day. Let me see if we reacted to anything. Okay. We were holding this bearish fair value gap for a while. We come up and sweep these relative equal highs. While continuing to hold that fair value gap. BSL sweep right here, boom. When did we sweep this high? At 10 o'clock. Oh, we must have had news at 10 o'clock, huh? definitely had news at 10 o'clock, right? Yeah. We had PMI and jolts. Damn, we really got NFP and now all this shit. What's next week looking like? CPI and PPI. FOMC. Oh my God. OMG, bruh. It's all good though. This was the opening price at midnight. But yeah, as you can see, we came down, we took out these lows. Did we take out these lows? Oh no, we created relative equal lows. Okay, so something I'm starting to notice now, based off of the L's I've been taking recently and shit like that, we will come down so close to some lows and then we'll push back up. Like we'll have a push down that we anticipate towards the sell side level, just like right here. We'll have a push down that we anticipate without any type of sweep. There really ain't no sweeps here. And then we'll get a push up and then we'll get a sweep right here and right here. And then we'll get the real move we've been waiting for. So after, what the fuck is going on? After this sweep right here, we start to get this push down. Now we don't see, I guess we do see a trade in here. This doesn't get hit, but it was possible that it did, so. All right, let me see. We come up, we sweep this level, get a strong ass move down through this fair value gap. We ran through this fair value gap, and then we closed below this swing low. We did take out all of this. But we still have the relative equal lows down here. Our real draw. You feel me? I'm just mark this down here. That we still didn't take. So then we get a retracement back up into this 5-minute bearish fair value gap. Which is within premium of this downtrend. I don't think I would have took this. That's just ugly. I need something in the range. So before this gets taken, I need one of these fair value gaps. I wouldn't have taken this. All right, but I would have got tapped in right here. This is all theoretical, of course. I would have had to put my stop up here and then target this sell side level down here. And as you can see, that would have offered a 1 to 2.3, 1 to 2.03, so 1 to 2. We would have got tapped in around 825. Would have hit our TP at 945. Right before news, which spiked up, swept these highs again, and then got another push down. And we could have seen another entry right here. Actually, hold up. Nah, we couldn't have because there was no market structure shift. I'm getting ahead of myself. But yeah, that's one setup right here on GU. Push up, take out these highs. And then we move down in a more choppy fashion. This was like, we kind of go straight down. It's kind of slower movement in here. But, and this shit would have been having me like, what the fuck is going on? Why are we just chilling in here? But we did end up selling off. That's also a fair value gap right here in the 15-minute. This was a setup on the 15-minute too. We get displacement through this low, retracement into here. Literally the exact same entry, just about. Stops up here. push down, take out Sellside. But yeah, we ended up taking out this major Sellside level, tapping into this weekly imbalance that we've been looking at. We thought we were gonna come here first and then tapping in here, but apparently, sweep this, tapping in here, and now I expect us to start pushing up to take out this level. But tonight during London, maybe not. Nah, we should definitely hit this during London. But if we don't, NFP. I think that's why we retrace down here instead of fucking going straight for that Buyside level. Because I think we setting up for NFP tomorrow and Friday. We taking out this level tomorrow. 1.26522. Go ahead and quote me whatever the fuck you want to do. 1.26522. We're going to hit that on 12:06, probably during London session, but we hitting it tomorrow, period. And by the end of the week, I think we take out this level up here. 1.27466. By the end of the week, I think we take out this level. All right, let's move on to GJ. GJ. GJ had another bearish day. Another bearish day. Against all odds. No, I'm playing. Against what I thought. So we officially ran through this fair value gap on the daily time frame, which really we did down here, but now we really ran through it. So honestly, at this point, I mean, we could see this as inverse, but this area right here is now my drawing liquidity. That this weekly level, I don't even give a fuck about no more. Where you at? This weekly level right here, I don't even care about it. Because price is showing us that it doesn't care about it, so why should I? And then we got this weekly fair value gap in here under this sell side level. And after we broke through this daily bullish fair value gap, I don't see why we would go back up now. It's showing us we not respecting the discount arrays. Right, that's a bullish array. We should have, and that's in discount. We should have really took off right there if we were bullish, but we didn't. Which is a telltale sign. I keep saying that. I swear to God, I never said that before. Telltale. I don't even know if that's a real thing, like if I'm saying that right, but it's a fucking clear indication that we are gonna continue down. And this is my next draw. This is what I see us going to. That's literally just based off of this structure right here. I think we're coming down here. Now, scaling down into the 4 hour. We filled this fair value gap. We were getting hella wicks though. Wick, come back up, wick, but then we come down and fill it all the way. So now I really think we come up and sweep this buy side level and then continue down here. If not, just go straight there. So this was prices open last night. Again, I was watching price during London session, and we came down and took out this level that I was telling y'all about. When I took that demo trade at the end of the charting session yesterday, and I put my target down here, it was really random as fuck. I didn't actually know if we were going down there, but literally just seeing this curve, the accumulation, and then seeing it start to curve back down, I was like, we might see these lows. I also said we might hold this imbalance right here, but that obviously did not happen. We ran through it. Another indication that we're moving lower. Tapped into this fair value gap, kept pushing down. When is this? This is more of a slow ass move, and we did not take this out. which is interesting to see. We did not take this out. We didn't get a Judas swing today either. Just got a strong push down, taking out these lows, retracement back up into a premium. Back into this accumulation right here. Came back into this accumulation. All that. After we left it, tapped into it, and then pushed down. I don't like this action at all. 8 o'clock right here. Yeah, it's already at 10:50. I don't think, there's no trading here for me. None at all. No sweep. This is choppy ass action. The real, like, look, this is what I showed y'all yesterday. This right here. We had this Buyside curve. We had this accumulation, and then we started forming this right here. And as you can see, we just dropped off a very small retracement and then all the way down to take out this level. So, but in New York session, we had no trades. This action right here is just, it's not cute. It's not cool. It's not attractive. None of that shit. I don't really like how GJ be moving during New York session too much. We have this action a lot. It's definitely a London pair. I mean, it's pound versus yen, so you can't expect nothing crazy. Why they calling my name, man? But yeah, let's take a look again. I don't know. We never took this, and I don't know what we're reacting to in here. We feel this, and now we starting to push back up. Why do I always do that? We could hold this and then push back down to take out this Sellside level and then push up. Nah, I don't think so. I don't see why we would come back down to take this out and then push up and then push back down again. I think we come up and see this area. All these accumulated highs. I think we see this area get tapped into. Possibly come higher to sweep these highs as well, and this high. And tap into this daily bullish fair value gap that got ran through that we are now about to see used as inverse. And then we come down and see this sell side level at 184,459. So overnight, I have no idea what we're going to do during London. I'm going to watch and see, but I have no idea what we're going to do. But I do expect this to be our next draw, our next real draw, higher time frame draw. And again, NFP might move price down there. Did I already do UJ? No, I ain't do UJ yet, huh? This is my second pair. All right, UJ. Look like we had a doji day. Indecisive day today. We had this huge ass imbalance right here too. What did we do today, bro? I ain't gonna lie, GU had a nice setup, but it wasn't the cleanest setup. And this shit is not clean action at all. But we filled in these imbalances. We tapped into this order block type of level. This order block pushed down. We never saw these lows get taken. We did see this get filled, but we pushed down. This isn't nice action at all, bro. When did we open up? I was trying to catch a short to take out these lows last night on demo because of this right here, this pullback, this push down. We came up and we filled. Wait, hold up. I don't know where I took this short actually. Cause we ain't had no sweep. We did have a sweep somewhere. Hold up. Oh, I took it in here. Well, first off, you like right here. Wait, where did I take it? Oh, it was in here. We swept this level. Got to push down, retracement into this. I think I took it on the 4-minute though. Swept this, push down, tap into this. And then my first target was right here, and we never hit it. Actually, we did hit it, but it was like to the tick. This low is 679. Yeah, we hit it to the tick, but in demo it didn't take me out. But I was pyramiding, I was adding positions on and shit like that. Honestly, this sweep is not valid for real. I don't really like it. Stop up here. Nah, where did I take this? Because my shit was a little bit better than that. Oh, I think, yeah, I took it on the 5-minute. I don't know. Regardless, what we did today during my session is ass. Well, actually, hold up. We came up and swept these equal highs. Came up above opening price. After we had pushed down and took out this Sellside level, really just a swing low, but we came up, we swept this, we get a strong push down, but it just goes straight here, and that's during 10 o'clock news. So there's really nothing. I mean, unless you wanted to take a quick ass scalp to the upside after this sweep. But then we just kept pushing. And then we get a fair value gap right here. I would not have been confident at all. I would have thought we were coming down here. And we get a push up, breaking above this. Fair value gap in here and in here. Retrace down, push up. That's right at equilibrium. But the fair value gap isn't in equilibrium. But that's an order block as well. We didn't tap into it. And then we push up to take out Buyside. But there's really nothing here on UJ. But what do I expect us to do tonight? We pushing up right now. Why do I keep doing that, man? I don't even know what this is. I want to see this low get taken out, though. Especially since I'm bullish on GU now after we took out that Sellside level and tapped into the weekly imbalance. I want to see lower prices. I don't know what this is or why you're there, but I think we're coming up for this right here. Right now, I think we're coming up for this. We might see this during the overnight session and then a push down to see these lows and these lows and these lows. And eventually this low right here. But yeah, this is yesterday's low, so I think we see this tonight. I mean, not tonight, I think we see this tonight. We might see this shit soon, actually, the way this shit pushing up right now. Yeah, I think we about to take out these highs, and then we gonna come down and see, and we gonna target yesterday's low right here, and then these lows, and eventually this low. So I'm bearish on GU. On UJ. Now what's up with you, bro? What you got going on after you was acting nice yesterday? Ah, shit. Gold is wow. This is still wild to me, bro. What we trying to? Damn, bro. This shit is wild as fuck. We done already hit equilibrium, to be honest. I feel like I can't even use that wick up there. I feel like I just gotta use this right here. Yeah, fuck it. That's equilibrium, bro. Fuck it. But we already tapped into this daily fair value gap, and you can see we rejected it. We filled this in. We rejected this. We got a small imbalance all the way down here, but I don't think we retraced that far on gold, bro. We might come down and take out this sell side down here. It's very possible, but we did already take out sell side right here. We already took out that. We got this giant imbalance. Buy side up here. But what did we do today? I keep getting distracted. I'm thinking about what are we gonna do later. Like I'm analyzing this shit, how we would come into the day and shit, or for tomorrow. So we were bearish on the day. It looks like we swept these highs and then pushed down, retracing it here, pushed down to target this sell side level. That's a nice setup right here on the 1 hour already. And that was during 8 o'clock. Gold might have threw the best, might have had the best price action this week so far. Well, I mean, yesterday we just dropped, but we did get a setup. I just didn't see it, and it was on the 1 minute, so. But it looks like it had the best price action for today. Yeah, we swept this high right here. But that was at 315. Then we pushed down. I would need another sweep, probably. I mean, we tapped into here. Right as market open, we tapped into this fair value gap. But this doesn't really mean shit by the time we all the way down here. Oh, we take out these highs too. Okay, cool. We take them out right at 8:30. Right at 8:35. Interesting. Sellside sweep. Buyside sweep. We got these two imbalances right here. We didn't tap that one, but we did tap this one. And this wasn't filled yet. See? We still had a little gap above that buy side level. So when we swept buy side, we also filled this imbalance. We sweep it, we never ever, we don't even close above this one time. We do push up a little bit, but then we just drop. Boom. Drop through this low. Come down. We do take out all these lows though. That's a huge level that we took out. And we didn't really get any entry according to the 2022 model. We don't really get any entry in here. Market structure shift for me would have been right there. But let's scale down a little bit and see if we did get an entry. Yeah, this is an entry on the 4-minute. Let's just make sure. No, it's not in discount. And we have another very, very small fair value gap right there on the 4-minute as well. But it's still valid because the gap is above this right here, where the market structure shift occurred. It's still within the range on the way down. But you will have to put your stop above this high at least. And then you could target these lows for 1 to 2, or you could target this low down here, which is this area. I think this is Monday's low as well. Yeah, wait. Yeah, see? That's huge, bro. That is fucking huge. So Monday's low. Yeah, that would have had to been our target if I had the awareness to look at Monday's low already. But yeah, this was Monday's low. We push up, we sweep this, get a push down during London, consolidate right before New York opens. New York opens, we start pushing back up. We take out this buy side level, filling this the rest of this imbalance. Tap into this order block. Tap into this 1 hour bearish fair value gap. We get a push down. Boom. Breaking structure. We get a 4-minute fair value gap right here. We tap into it. And yeah, we could definitely target these lows right here. The previous day's low, especially since this is in very close proximity. Honestly, I would have just took my profits right here. Maybe left a runner to here, but that's not that far. Maybe left a runner to here, but I probably wouldn't have seen this, to be honest. I probably would have just took my profits in this area right here and just called it a fucking day. Yeah, gold through the best setup, 100%. But I would have had to been able to see on the 4-minute, because on the 5-minute, this is not valid. There's nothing here. The fair value gap is up here, and we never tapped it. So I would have had to see this shit on the 4-minute. This is a reminder to me, always check your time frames, bro. Check every fucking time frame. If you see a setup on the 4-minute, you don't gotta scale down to the 3-minute or the 2-minute or the 1-minute. Same with the 3 and the 2 and the 1. If you see, if you scaling down from the 5 to the 4 to the 3 to the 2 to the 1, you shouldn't get to the 1 unless you don't see a setup on the 2, 3, or 4. You see what I'm saying? Yep, another gap right here. That's the same shit. Except for on here, you wouldn't have seen the 4-minute imbalance. We would have got a better RR, but the imbalance was still here regardless, and you can't just ignore that shit. So yeah, a nice 1 to 2, damn near a 1 to 3, and notice how quickly we sold off. We tapped into it and just came down. One retracement, one bullish candle, and then a strong push down again. So that shit was very efficient. I like this price action right here. This right here, I hate it, but that was after lunch. But yeah, this is beautiful price action. Now, what do I see for gold tomorrow? We could just, we took out this Sellside level, like I said, but we could see this one down here to completely fill this daily fair value gap and tap into this, fill in this 4-hour fair value gap as well. Tap into these highs. We could see lower prices. I need more structure though. After this sweep though, I do expect us to push up a little bit more. Somewhere in this area. Let's see if any PD arrays align with that. Don't really seem like it. Maybe see these highs, maybe these highs. I think it's definitely possible that we see this 2005 760 level though before we push up again to realign with the weekly, which is very bullish. This is just a bullish instrument. This is an investing tool. It's gold, so I'm always gonna be bullish on gold, but right now I think we can definitely tap into these lows down here. Tap into this sell side level. We got another imbalance right there. So imbalances are just lining up on all time frames, it seems. All higher time frames. Even on this time frame. What about the 5-minute? Even on the 5-minute, look at that. So I think we could definitely see these lows right here. But that's all I got for y'all today. I think it was way shorter than it usually is. I'm not trading tomorrow. I might trade Thursday. I might not trade the rest of the week. I really don't know, man. We just got to see how it go. I wish I didn't break my rules yesterday because I wanted to trade today, but it's all good. Yeah, look at that. Only 40 minutes, man. Y'all should be proud of me. Let's be real. Y'all should be fucking proud, bro. Only took me 30 minutes. My goddamn glasses were reflecting price the whole time. So my bad about that. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all. Hope y'all have a good night and shit. I'm probably gonna post this right now. That I'm finna back test probably for like 3 hours. Cause it's about to be 10. So if I back test for 3 hours, then I can come to the charts right when London opens, and then I can really just watch the charts and chill. So I'll catch y'all.